过今天这个青少年反应多一点啊。
对，
没关系，我
对。
们 just talking about 套路 is the best foundation for all the combat, any kind of combat sports. You guys have speed, coordination, balance, flexibility. You guys have the best for everything. Most of Sanda people might not have those requirements you guys have, okay? But combat is about you hit me, I hit you. What's the most important movement, skill you guys feel? Can you guys offer me some ideas? When you need to fight, what's the most important thing you feel like it? Oh, I better do this, I better train this. Can someone tell me?
I think it's patience, because most of the time, whether it's in a real fight or competition, you burn out really fast. So it doesn't matter how many times you hit them.
Patient?
The patience and controlling your energy and your stamina.
Okay. You're talking about it's a competition. That's competition, and the self-defense and street fight, it's quite different too. Most of street fight probably finish in a very short time. 10 seconds, 20 seconds, either police come or your opponent's friends come or your friends come. Everybody jumping together. So you talking about is for tournament, for fight, for the competition. I'm talking about just fight.
Punch.
Punch. It can be the good idea. Punch, right? Punch. And beside punch, anything else? Kick so powerful, more powerful than punch. Okay, maybe one kick you can knock out, make people just unconscious. But kicking also got the risk. And you got to be really good. You got to be really badass with the kicking. Or if you cannot kick damage to somebody, you're going to make your opponent so mad and want to beat the crap out of you, want to fight you back. Kicking is so powerful, but you got to know how to kick it right, kick the right place. Anything else? I feel the most important thing is our footwork. Footwork. If you're strong, look at him. So strong. Look at him. Guys, honestly, they don't need to train any kind of combat fight. They're probably able to handle some people they never train. Oh, they don't really know how to fight. Look at their body size. And they are Taolu athletes. They are athletes. Guys, any sports, any athletes, they're strong. Can you imagine football player? You think football player need to train how to fight? Probably not necessary. They just swing their hand because they're so big, so strong. Right? They got mass. Okay? They might not able to punch that professionally, but once they hit somebody, they get any chance to hit you, you fly away. Footwork, so important. Timing, distance. Timing, distance. These two, I think also important, same important with the footwork. Kick, boom, step back. Or if I'm a good counter kicker, kick, boom, boom, counter kick. Okay, but this is more advanced, counter kick. Or if you know how to catch, you train Sanda, you train any combat sport. You catch, you're able to catch, kick, boom, painful, but I got this. So boom, I can take him down. Or run away, or get my cell phone, call my dad, call the police, or run away. But guys, I got to stay calm, right? Boxing before? Guys, look at the body size. Oh my God. It's really sad. And I saw his punches. I can tell he trained a little bit hands, striking. Should I need to be? Oh no, I'm a tough guy. Let's do it. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's crazy. I know he's taller, but hey, I trained Sanda. I have a good experience. He's so proud of his body size. He's so proud of, hey, I got long hands. Hey, shorty, right? Boom, he tried to punch me. Boom, it's okay. Boom, I cannot handle that. I want to control him. Run away. Oh. Like Mason also trained jiu-jitsu, I finish with the joint submissions. Wrestling people, it's okay. But same thing, guys. Look at the body size. But once we clinch, boom, guys. If he never wrestle, I feel like don't take it personal. I'm just, for example, he doesn't know how to wrestle. He's so big, he's so strong. I'm so tiny, but I just know how to play the game. Okay? I know you are very nice guy, but now this moment you can be brutal too. Do whatever you want to do to tame or to damage. It's okay. I'm ready. I'm ready. Go.
Wow.
Guys. Punch it longer. 10. Guys. 1. Boom. Come back. Relax.
Thank you. Thank you, Coach Li. Wonderful class. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
来不及了，
Yeah,
时间没
that's
准备好。
Yeah.